This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. So, can you tell us what are the different areas which company secretary can practice in, especially considering next 5 to 10 years horizon when we look at it? Because, like you said earlier in the interview, our profession has grown quite a lot from the last 20-25 years, especially. So, how do you see it next 5 to 10 years? What all we can do as practicing CS and CS profession as a whole?
Sir, what I have to say, Mr. Alok, the time that we have to compare from 1995 or even 2000, the time which I was on the verge of taking membership. See, for comparing to year 2000 to today, we are in 2021. I have to say there's a sea change, I have to say.
Correct.
In the practice side or even the entire CS course itself, I can say. I never felt that I took some course which we cannot do anything. No, we can do a lot more in this actually. Actually speaking, that as CS, if someone is not able to really do better, they are not exploring anything better. It's not that the course or it's not that the profession that is not giving unfolding anything. No, it's not so. In fact, the person is not unfolding anything. I could say that the practice side is so bright, and also the employment, no doubt at all. The employment side also. In fact, if you see any company for this matter, okay, whether it's a big company, India's #1 company or any company for this matter, the board has to take advice of company secretary.
Exactly.
Okay, that's the privilege that a person gets. So that privilege, I don't think anybody says about. There are 10 lakh employees in company in bigger companies. Okay, and it is so difficult to reach board members.
Exactly.
At least to know who is board members. Okay, but here you see the law gives and one profession gives in hand that privilege by giving your effort and proving yourself, passing examination, getting a membership, that you are getting directly elevated to the level where we are giving our inputs and advice to the board of directors of the company, which I don't think anybody else is getting.
Yeah, so, there's no other profession.
Yeah,
like
I don't think any other profession get. That is on an employment side, and practice side. I can say that neither the law stops you or the profession stops you, as long as you are able to prove, and it is permitted under law, that really we can prove ourselves and do many other things. In fact, in my case, if you see, I was telling that I was taking care of all company, secretarial matters, and apart from secretarial matter, from day one, I'm involving myself in legal advices, giving legal opinion. In fact, most of my time I spend on legal opinion. In fact, I have to say I have got a good team with me and a bigger team where since they are trained now, my team, qualified team, so they take care of many of the routine matters in Companies Act and secretarial matters. So few people who are senior in the firm, we focus on the legal side of the corporate, corporate legal side, where appearing, NCLT matters, and we handle number of schemes. So what I'm trying to say, company secretary, we should not restrict to filing alone, I'm saying. We should not think that we are only cut out for filing, we are only cut out for understanding the Companies Act alone. It's not so. In fact, the law also gives lots of avenues to us, and even institutes also getting lot of recognition today, and every state government is separately giving a recognition. Recently, one of the university has recognized that the CS is a PG for doing the doctorate. So like we keep getting lot of recognition actually today, and in fact, no one stops. Even institute, I'm saying, they say that you don't do anything other than Companies Act matter. No, because there's a list very specifically provided what a company secretary could practice. But it's very clearly written, and it never stops you restrict only this particular. So as long as we are competent, that's very important. That is the one word that I always follow. If I involve, I should be competent in that. I don't involve myself if I'm not competent. If I have to involve, I should make, I'm competent to handle it, then involve. Otherwise, let me not touch. That's why even now, though I have fortunately with God grace, I have a big team, but I never get into any kind of different kind of filing, this, that. But I do, I'm saying different filing is in GST filing, income tax filing. I don't get into that. Though that could be learned and can be done also. It's not that something cannot be done. See, that's what CES is a platform that gives an opportunity for you to learn and upgrade yourself. Okay, after that, sky is the limit where to upgrade and how to go. There are so many business entrepreneurs, business aids are there, CES, who are running the bigger companies and even banks. So it is CES course is a platform. From there, how much you are flying high, that's only in the hands of the person who is getting qualified in
How
this
high
field.
you fly depends on the person who is qualified and how they use it. And the interesting thing you told is about competence. So we should get ourselves and become competent. The
Yes.
opportunities are more, and that is the future which is there.
Yes, why I use that word, I'll just to complete, because
Yes.
when I was in employment, that only gave confidence. I would say that I won't say that employment I can spare. No, that experience, every experience is matter. I always tell even my employees, partners, or students also, every experience is matter. You don't think this is only simply this. No, don't think that way. Even stabling on agreement itself, you should know how to do that.
Yes.
I come across many professional friends uh, asking that in stamp paper from where we have to take print. That's a basic thing because
Correct.
they don't have experience of it. I can't say they are
Wrong.
ignorant or they are not having knowledge. They may be having knowledge in other sites or they may be expert in other areas. But even for taking printout in stamp paper, they get doubt and they used to ask me. I'm saying professional, not even a layman or any other local person. I'm saying, normal person. Even a professional used to ask me from where we have to take. Right? You have to understand the purpose of stamp law. Stamp law is payment of stamp duty. That you have to pay a stamp duty through a stamp paper, you have to cancel it. If you have to cancel it, you have to type over it. That's the
Yes.
idea. And at the same time, you should not leave the entire thing empty and put the line at the end of the stamp paper because you are giving empty. Okay, so that should not be permitted because that can be misused. So these are the common sense and logic of the law will should make us understand, of the experience should make us to understand. So that's why I use the word competent. While I was in employment in three companies where I got a lot of opportunity to handle legal matters, court cases, legal matters, property matters, because I was in a construction group. So where I was given opportunity, in fact, I improved my skill in scrutiny of documents, title documents. I'm saying. If you give me, I will do a scrutiny of title documents in Tamil Nadu. I'm saying. I don't know
Hmm.
about Maharashtra and other areas where it differs from state to state. But Tamil Nadu, at least I can try to see that what it is. My friends and all, somebody asks, I will tell them, okay, you do this way, that way. So that basic idea I gained from the company experience, same way handling legal. That only really gave the confidence. I have to say, doing secretarial matters, the 1 year training gave the confidence, really speaking. I know, without that training, if I had it been this training would not have been there, or if I would have gone a training in a company for 15 months, that time that option also was there. Probably I would not have got the interest in practice side.
Hmm.
Since I was in a practice form, I was literally gained more interest. As it is, I was so enthusiastic in subject and learning subject and earning, sharing subject. So having worked in a PCS firm, that further developed interest in the practice side, actually speaking. So what I was trying to say, what we handle, that's so important for us to see that the rest of the life that we are really doing justice on whatever we are handling. So that
Yeah.
today the students have to understand whether they are going training or whether they are going for employment. Please don't ignore that what you are doing is thanks for a job. No, not like that. Anything you are doing that one point of time that will be helpful in your life. Give your full heart and do whatever you do. It's okay for time being you're not doing anything related to secretarial matters, something else they are giving in the company. You try to understand that. So one day you will sit on the top as CFO or CEO. That time this knowledge will help you. Nobody
Exactly.
knows where people will go go to the height, right? Which height they will be going. So what I'm trying to say, only thing here, students should understand, or any person should understand, that learning is important, and whatever they handle, they have to see that what they are learning out of it, not monotonously doing it. So that's my really, with that premise only I always do things. Whatever I do, I want to learn, so that will be helpful in some point of time. We don't know when it will be helpful to us.